Today, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. I'm Kyrie Hassan reporting. Rainy Valentine's Day seen in parts of PH due to three weather systems. Manila, Philippines, rains and cloudy skies are forecast to prevail in some parts of the country due to three weather systems on Valentine's Day, according to the State Weather Bureau. In its 5 a.m. weather forecast, the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, PAGASA, said that the northeast monsoon will affect northern Luzon, shear line in the eastern portion of central and southern Luzon, and easterlies in the southern area of the country. PAGASA predicts 4 to 11 tropical cyclones from February to July 2026. PAGASA weather specialist Muriedin de la Cruz Galicia noted that the northeast monsoon will bring cloudy skies and isolated rain showers over Batanes, Babuya Islands, and Ilocos Norte. The shear line or the convergence of warm and cold winds will result to cloudy skies with high chances of rains over mainland Cagayan, Isabela, Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Bulacan, Rizal, Quezon Province, Laguna, and Camarines Norte. De la Cruz Galicia also said that generally fair weather conditions with chances of rain showers and localized thunderstorms are forecast over the rest of Luzon, including Metro Manila. She added that hotter temperatures are expected in many areas than the past few days, except in the upland areas. PAGASA unveils 2026 cyclone names. Meanwhile, the weather specialist said that easterlies or the warm winds coming from the Pacific Ocean will bring cloudy skies and scattered rain showers and thunderstorms over Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi. She also noted that no gale warning is raised in any seaboards of the country and no low pressure area is expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility within 2 to 3 days.